Hello viewers, welcome to Swift tutorial for beginner. Today I will describe about Swift enumeration. Enumeration usually just called enum. Enum is a keyword. This is one kind of data type. Enum way to define the one kind of value in Swift in some programming language. They are simple little thing, but Swift add a huge amount of power to them if you want to go beyond of the basic. This is enum keyword, and this country here is the enum block. In block you can define your data in case USA, country name USA, Canada, UK, Bangladesh, Singapore, Malaysia. Why this enum type? Basically, it is uh, strictly data content. Otherwise, your data will the return. Here is our function get country name. Here is the name string. Here we will set the enum data type country name. This country name. Then we will set the name here. Suppose we check with this is equivalent to Bangladesh. Here is the static data Bangladesh. When we will write in Bangladesh, it was a mismatch on something is a character missing. So enum gave facility to it is as like constant data. Suppose we can enum data this enum country type dot. Here you will see the enum data Bangladesh, Canada, Malaysia, Singapore, UK. Okay. So here this way we can get data from enum. When we will call our function, here is data type will be enum. Suppose country name dot Bangladesh. Now this function will return the Bangladesh. If we suppose set the country name is USA, then it will return the nil. It will return the nil. We can set some condition in here. Suppose country name USA, here United States of America. So here in function we call the enum data country name dot USA. Here this country name, this enum dot USA. We can get directly enum data by enum data type dot the enum enum case below. This is enum case below. Another way we can get enum data when we this parameter is enum type data. When we will check name equal to country name dot Bangladesh, then it will enum data type is freely determined. It will check from the enum data type. Here we can omit the country enum data type. Here we can set the dot Bangladesh. It will check in enum data type. Here we can omit. Here we can omit. So our result is same. Our result is same. This is enum data type. When we compare the name with some name with something, enum is prely determined. It will be sec in enum data type. So we use the dot enum data. So this is the main example of enum data type. Thank you so much.